Welcome to What is the Cloud and Why Your Business Can't Ignore It. In this core episode, we'll break down the cloud in simple terms and explain why it's essential for your business. This program is Module 1, Episode 1 of the Understanding AWS and Cloud Services course, brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team. Did you know the average small business spends about 30% more on IT than necessary? The cloud can solve this. We'll explain what the cloud actually is in plain business English, not technical jargon, so you can leverage its benefits. You've heard the word cloud constantly, but often without a clear explanation of what it means for your business. This video provides a clear, honest explanation based on real business challenges, without any jargon or complex diagrams. The shift to the cloud was driven by three main pain points: expensive physical servers requiring constant upkeep, costly IT contracts with managed service providers, and the constant risk of losing critical data. The cloud means renting computing power, storage, and software over the internet, instead of buying and maintaining it yourself. Your data and applications live on powerful computers owned by large companies, and you only pay for what you use. Your files, software, and data are stored in massive, enterprise-grade data centers. These facilities have redundant power, physical security, fire suppression, and 24/7 monitoring. This gives you world-class infrastructure without owning hardware. In Chapter 1, we look at the three cloud models that matter for your business. Not all cloud services are the same, and understanding the models helps you make smarter buying decisions. Think of it like real estate: owning, leasing, or renting a desk. IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, is like buying an empty building. You get raw computing resources, but you control the operating system and configuration. This is best for businesses with in-house IT staff who need maximum control. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, is like leasing a fully furnished office. The provider manages the underlying infrastructure, offering a ready-made environment for developers. It's best for businesses building custom software applications. SaaS, or Software as a Service, is like renting a co-working desk. The provider delivers fully built applications you access via a browser or app, with no maintenance needed. Everyday examples include Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft 365. This table shows the key differences between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Most small businesses start with SaaS, offering low technical skill requirements and the best fit for all business types. You don't need IaaS for immense cloud value. In Chapter 2, we explore why businesses move to the cloud. It wasn't a trend, but a reaction to the limitations of old methods. The three driving forces were cost pressure, the need for flexibility, and the failure of on-premise server rooms. The cloud shift was driven by cost pressure, moving from expensive capital expenditure to a pay-as-you-go operating expense. It also met flexibility demands by scaling capacity in minutes and eliminated server room risks like hardware failure and data loss. The economics changed everything. The old model meant large upfront hardware purchases and fixed capacity. The cloud offers no hardware to buy, monthly payments, elastic capacity, and enterprise-grade reliability managed by the provider. Chapter 3 provides an honest comparison of on-premise versus the cloud. This section looks at what running your own infrastructure truly entails compared to moving to the cloud, based on the experiences of small and medium businesses. Running your own servers involves significant hardware costs, often $3,000 to $10,000 upfront, plus replacement every 3 to 5 years. Then, you face hidden maintenance costs for patching and emergency fixes, alongside disaster risks like fire or theft, which local infrastructure lacks redundancy for. The cloud provides built-in reliability with near-perfect uptime, automatic updates, and access from anywhere without complex VPN setups. Furthermore, it offers instant scalability to handle traffic spikes, allowing you to spin up or scale back capacity as needed, and only pay for what you use. It's important to consider the trade-offs of the cloud. You must rely on a stable internet connection and manage ongoing subscription costs. Additionally, some industries have specific compliance requirements that you must be aware of and manage within the cloud environment. In Chapter 4, we examine why AWS dominates the cloud market. AWS is the clear market leader, and we'll look at the key factors that make it the smartest starting point for most small and medium businesses. AWS holds 31% of the global cloud market share, more than its closest two competitors combined. It offers over 200 available services and operates in 32 global regions. Launched in 2006, its nearly 2 decades of infrastructure investment ensure unmatched stability and service depth. AWS provides the largest ecosystem of partners, tutorials, and certified professionals, meaning help is always available. It offers SMB-friendly pricing and a generous free tier for low-risk experimentation. Plus, AWS is the industry standard, simplifying hiring and integration. In Chapter 5, we'll make this concrete by looking at a real business example. We'll show the before and after of a small business's file storage setup, detailing the actual cost and maintenance implications of moving to the cloud. Before the cloud, a business uses an on-premise file server, often a physical NAS device. Costs include $5,000 to $8,000 upfront for hardware, plus monthly IT support. Risks include a lack of remote access, the possibility of catastrophic drive failure, and exposure to ransomware. After moving to Amazon S3, files are stored in the cloud. The cost is approximately $23 per month for 1 terabyte of data, with no upfront hardware or maintenance fees. Benefits include universal access, automatic version history, extreme durability, and built-in security. The comparison is striking. The on-premise server requires high upfront capital and ongoing support costs with inherent risks. Amazon S3 is subscription-based, requires zero hardware, includes automatic backups, and allows remote access at a fraction of the cost. The savings compound across your infrastructure. The saying, "If it ain't broke, don't fix it," is expensive advice for servers on borrowed time. While business owners may feel secure, older hardware is prone to failure, IT contract costs grow, and migration tools are simpler than ever. The cloud is built for small businesses. We need to bust common cloud myths. The reality is, AWS invests billions in security, making it more secure than any small business's infrastructure. The cloud was built to allow small startups access to enterprise-grade tools. Furthermore, migration is manageable and often done one workload at a time. This series is for business owners and decision makers in sectors like retail, healthcare, professional services, hospitality, and construction. You don't need a computer science degree. You only need to make informed choices about when and how to use the cloud. The cloud means renting computing resources on demand, moving from CapEx to OpEx. Remember the 3 models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, with most businesses starting with SaaS. The economics favor the cloud, offering reliability and cost savings that on-premise solutions cannot match. AWS is the smart starting point due to its market leadership, SMB pricing, massive support network, and generous free tier for experimentation. If you are still running local servers, you are leaving money on the table. By the end of this video series, you will know exactly what to move, when, and how. Start asking the right questions now to begin your cloud journey. Up next in Episode 2, we will walk through the core AWS services that matter most to small businesses, like Amazon S3 for file storage, EC2 for virtual servers, and RDS for managed databases. You are already ahead by understanding what the cloud is and why AWS is the dominant platform. Every episode builds on this foundation, allowing you to make smarter, faster, and more confident technology decisions for your business. This series, AWS for Business Builders, includes 6 modules and over 30 episodes, guiding you from a beginner to an intermediate understanding of the AWS ecosystem, preparing you for the cloud practitioner to solutions architect certification path.